amid the rift in opposition camp, now the SP and the TMC have decided to snub the Indy bloc. That is right. Now, this time, both the SP and the TMC will not be participating. I repeat, will not be participating in the opposition stir at Jantar Mantar. So this is what we're learning of right now on Republic TV, viewers, where the opposition parties will be protesting in Jantar Mantar. That is today, December 9th is the date. And what we are learning is that the SP and the TMC will not be joining the Indy bloc there. Remember, the SP and TMC have also not joined in a couple of protests that the opposition had been taking part in during the Parliament winter session, which was taking place. Now the plan of the opposition parties is to denounce the BJP-led government's alleged mishandling of couple of issues such as Manipur, etc. So we are waiting for that to happen. On that stir at Jantar Mantar will be around afternoon time. And I want to go across to my colleague Riyanka joining us live from New Delhi. And Riyanka will tell us what can we expect next. Riyanka, if you could take our viewers through, when will that opposition stir begin at Jantar Mantar? And also, we're coming to know that the SP and TMC once again will be leaving the opposition Indy bloc out in the cold when it comes to this protest which is planned at Jantar Mantar.
Well, firstly, the opposition India Alliance plans to hold a protest at around 1 p.m. today in the afternoon, and this is going to take place at Delhi's Jantar Mantar protest site area. And this protest is against the BJP-led central government, where the opposition once again wants to raise the issue of the Manipur crisis and denounce the government on the alleged mishandling of the crisis that turned out in Manipur, which continues to remain on the boil. Now, a clear divide in the Indy bloc is quite visible. In fact, TMC and Samajwadi Party have decided to not be a part of this protest that is set to take place today at around 1 p.m. We have seen these fine lines of divide in the members of the India Alliance, especially TMC and the Samajwadi Party in the previous as well. In several of these protests that the opposition, which is led by the Congress Party, has been doing, be it in the Parliament premises that we saw last week, where the TMC said they do not want to protest and stall the House just to raise one issue. So clearly, we can see that there is, in fact, a clear divide in the opposition, but we'll have to wait and see what happens next. Viewers, stay tuned. We will come right back as the opposition all set to protest at Jantar Mantar today. We'll come right back after this short break.